Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. A weak wave of low pressure sitting across the northern Gulf Coast, which is bringing more clouds to southeast and a few areas of light rain across the south central. Look for another area of low pressure south of the eastern Aleutians. This one's a little stronger at 988 millibars, and it's pushing some wetter weather up across the southern tip of the Alaska Peninsula today. Yet another weak wave of low pressure extends up across the YK Delta. This one's sitting a little bit closer to Emonic and just west of Bethel. And that wave of low pressure extends all the way into the north and western coast, where areas of light snow are falling around the Chukchi Sea. Ice is increasing quickly across the Beaufort Sea coast. What was once open sea just north of the Beaufort Sea coast is quickly filling in, and folks around Barrow reporting that the ice is literally freezing in front of their eyes earlier today. You can see that on the UAF radar site there on their sea ice monitoring station. Low pressure will continue across the northern coast, 1,005 millibars. Look for areas of light snow showers there to continue throughout the rest of tonight. Pockets of clearing across the upper Yukon and waves of light rain across south central and across the northern and eastern Gulf Coast, extending into places like Juneau, Sitka, and southward toward Craig and Klawock. High pressure sitting across the western coast of British Columbia, 1,026 millibars, will steer warmer air northward across the western Gulf, and that will probably reach Kodiak Island and into the Alaska Peninsula as we head into Wednesday. Look for that to oppose a weak area of high pressure across the central and northern Bering Sea. A stronger wave of low pressure working across the western chain. This should bring gales to the western Aleutians as we head through Wednesday afternoon, while the seas across southeastern Alaska calm somewhat. The central and southern Gulf will see a low pressure system at 990 millibars, so the coastal areas of southeast may catch a little bit of a break for the time being until Thursday, where the winds start to pick up once again as that wave of low pressure works north and west toward Kodiak Island and toward the Alaska Peninsula. The winds will start to pick up more from the north and the east across the northern Gulf Coast, while winds across the outer coast of southeast start to pick up from the southeast as well. Low pressure continues to dawdle just west of Shemya with high pressure across the interior, light winds, and a partly cloudy sky. Look to be fairly pleasant conditions for most of the middle Tanana Valley and points west. Snow showers continue for the Chukchi Sea coast for Thursday afternoon. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. You can always find your latest weather forecasts and observations for all of Alaska at weather.gov/Alaska.